Tate and I just got done putting a new bearing in. Had a little bit of a fly yesterday. That bearing right up there by Tate's butt. The top roller bearing went out. Luckily, Tate and I are both out in the hayfield. We got it caught right away. For some reason, we didn't think to make a video while it was on fire. Real weird deal. But we got it in. Hopefully everything closes up right and we can go finish up baling what we started yesterday. We got the bearing back in. Grabbed a temperature gun to see, hopefully maybe we'll be able to catch the next bearing that goes out before it catches the baler on fire. But the wind's blowing hard enough today and the shit's dry enough because we didn't get it done yesterday. But I'm having to just rake right in front of Tate. So I'm in the good old 50 series napping position. I'm gonna wait till Tate gets caught right up to me and then we'll finish this field out and move all the equipment to the next hay field. Merritt's headed out to the hay field. Finally got Deke to follow him. Happy boy. Tate was cutting hay today. Rotary mowers are famous for starting fires. We got it shut down in time, but Merritt's riding on the back of the pickup with Tate, and I just heard Merritt ask Tate what he's gonna do for Christmas. Long ways out. It's 10 o'clock p.m. Tate's down at the shop at the Campstool wrangling up some supplies. We had a little fire today cutting hay up here, so we just shut it down for the day, and now we're gonna go try to rake and have Tate just bale right behind me. But the rake doesn't have very good lights, so we're gonna try to rig up an LED bar that I had laying in the shop. If it still works, it's been laying in there for 3 years. Try to rig it up on this rake tractor so I can at least see in front of me. I still won't be able to see behind me, but be able to see in front of me then. And it's gonna be super classy, really legitimate and done right for sure. Definitely not gonna be any loose wires or hose clamps on the battery posts or anything like that for sure. But he's on his way up here. It's gonna be kind of a short night. So we got about 50 acres of rake and bale tonight. And then at 6:30 in the morning, my dad offered to take Merritt to a parade in Newcastle. So I need to have him down at my mom and dad's house by 6:30. And then I was gonna come back up here and sit in the spray truck while Tate finishes cutting and watch for fires. And then tomorrow night we'll do the same thing. But I think my wife happened to be on the schedule to prep cook and wash dishes tomorrow at the Gulch. So I might, if it gets busy, be a dishwasher in the middle of the day. Might get a little hectic. I can about tell you how this is gonna work. I'm gonna take this 5-hour energy. I'm gonna make about 2 passes in this rake, and either something's gonna break or we're gonna get it raked way faster and baled way faster than I think we're going to. I'm gonna lay in bed, wide awake, wondering what the hell I was thinking. Send it. How's it going there, Tate?
Going good. Getting the light bar hooked up.
So here's our light bar. This is electrician certified baling wire, or really expensive baling wire. Got some electrician certified electrical tape here. We forgot connectors, so we're just kind of twisting them and taping them. There'll be lots of tape used here this evening. And then we're running these two really certified safe wires. And we're just gonna run them straight back to the battery and just nub them right into the posts. So this light is gonna be on until you disconnect the wires. It's gonna work great. Still not gonna be able to see behind us, but the past is the past, right, Tate?
That'll be good.
Tate, go ahead and flip the switch and shut these off. All right, flip the switch back on. Handy like well, it's 2:06 a.m. We finished up what we had accomplished, what we cut before the fire, the great squirrel fire. Now it's time to kill the old light switch. There we go. Light switch is being tricky. There. And that is how you shut off the light switch. Yeah, it did. How many bales did you end up getting?
110 is what we're at now.
Sweet.
100, maybe 100.
Catch you on the flip side?
Yep.
Oh, dude.
We're gonna kick raking and baling off a day. We're gonna do it in the morning. What's that one's name? Simba?
I don't know.
Merritt, what are their names?
Chupa and Koopa, Dupa and Hoopa.
Oh?
You grabbing Koopa?
I don't know. They like.
I never remember names good. Sorry, YouTube, if I said the wrong name. All you guys out there, if you get baby kittens, you should check our channel out.
Pretty happy team.
So cute.
We better show them drumstick. Come here, big mama.
Most fertile cat in the West.
Oh no.
And these poor kitties don't even know who their dad is.
We should probably go check on your other kitty. We're gonna have a cat farm.
Do you guys want to see me come down this rope?
Yes. Can you do it without hitting your ribs again?
Want to see my bad wreck, guys?
Is it still there?
Yeah.
It is still there.
Hit that on the wood.
On the manger there?
Yeah.
All right, let's...
Usually I catch my...
That went a lot smoother than the last time.
Last time it...
Okay.
Merritt,
See this?
what are you picking?
Choke cherries.
Choke cherries? Do you like them?
No.
Well, try one of them. I want to see you try one. Not yummy?
Want to try one?
No, I'm good. I know I don't like them.
Try
I
it.
don't like them.
Try it.
No way.
Yes.
I don't like them.
Yes.
The only way I like them is in jelly.
Try them.
No, I'm good. Merritt,
Yeah?
what did you have?
2
A
jacks.
3 of a kind. This one's yours too, because we share these
Yeah.
ones, right?
Yeah.
You got 3?
Yeah.
How much money did you bet? You just won. That's all yours.
I won again. Holy, this one even beats this one.
Sad.
Sad to sad, isn't it?
That's because you just fold every time I have a good hand. Good strategy, though. Get out of here, Deaky. Go snuggle with the kid that likes you.
You're my best buddy. But guess who's my first best buddy?
Me?
Yes.
Oh, what a lucky guy I am.
It's Deke. It goes you and Deke and Mom for first.
Then what?
Then what? Gary and Dylan.
Then what?
Quit asking
Deke,
me.
I don't want to be scratched all night. Deke.
Deeky baby.
Deeky baby.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh.
Oh, that was French.
Oh, Deeky baby. Oh, Deeky baby. Oh, Deeky baby. Oh, Deeky baby. Oh, Deeky. Oh, Deeky. It's like in your armpit.
Gross. They licked your face.
No, I didn't.
It's been a rough one. We're down from 4 tractors to basically 1. I thought I had a sending unit on the coolant for this 4450 bad, and I ran to Belfouche and got a new sending unit. And I got back over here to put it in, and I found that the wire was cut, and there was just like 2 little strands of wire holding it together. So I spliced that wire, and the temperature gauge looks like it's working now, so I put the baler back on this tractor. Meanwhile, we'd hooked this tractor up to, or this baler up to the 4955 with duals on it. Really overkill, but hooked it onto here, and Tate bailed for, I don't know how long he bailed, not very long. And this bearing, right way up there, that bearing went out. Tate caught it right away, so nothing happened, but John Deere came out and replaced that bearing. And I don't know what happened here, but at some point along the line, this kicker bar broke. That is definitely supposed to be up there, welded to that. So I gotta pick this up and weld it here. I don't think it's gonna be too terribly difficult. It's not heavy or anything. Just have to get it done. And hopefully tonight I can bail and this tractor doesn't overheat. It was kind of scary because the temperature gauge was just standing straight up in the green. And I was like, yeah, that's kind of weird. So I got out with the temperature gun and it was at 240. So I shut it down, already got a second unit, and then just from there. With any luck at all, that's what fixed it. Hopefully get some hay baled up tonight. Well, got that too hot. We haven't had internet at our house for probably 2 weeks, so I'm not really sure when we're gonna get around to making another video, because it would mean sitting in the office, and by the time we close the Devil's Tower Gulch down, we don't really feel like sitting in the office. So we'll get the next video out as soon as we can, but I'm not making any guarantees on when that's gonna be. Definitely not supposed to get that hot. It's probably gonna break again, but should hold through tonight. Maybe I'll buy a new one at the end of the season. Hopefully it makes it through this season, and then I'll either get a new one at the end of this season when I service the baler, or be not so surprised next summer when it breaks and I have to get a new one on like a Sunday afternoon.
Hi guys who have watched our videos, and I'm gonna tell you some stuff about our ranch before I end this video. And I love this ranch, and for my whole life I've been wanting to be the 8th generation of cowboys for my whole life, and I've always wanted to be a cowboy since I was 3. And before we end this video, I would like to introduce my dad to you. I bet you see him a bunch in the videos, and I hope you like and subscribe. Bye. Oh, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Single barbed wire strand poked through these gloves.
No, they won't poke through them gloves.
Or these.
Poke through your shirt if you drop it.
But what if I dropped it that way?
Of course it's not going to poke you then.
Look how far we are away from our drinks. It's all the way back there.
Yeah.
Crazy how far I can do it, huh?
Oh boy. You're doing good, kid. Doing good for a rookie.
Kind of hard.
Oh, there it goes.
It wasn't the poke.